All right, good morning everybody. We're back out here today. Today we're at Coyote Lake. I'm back with Rob over here, going out on the boat. Gonna see what we can do, and let's get fishing. It's gonna be our first chatter. You can tell like how much use I've gotten out of this spinner rod, dude, because these three are all the same rods. This one's hella yellow.
Right? Huh.
Let's get a look at this graph. In the comments, if you know what I'm looking at, you let me know, but we're marking a bunch of fish. Are those behind us?
Yeah, so those will be, yeah, that thing's like on the back there.
Yeah.
So yeah, behind us, yeah.
60 feet of water, huh?
No, so your water line is right here. See the gray?
Yeah.
See that and that? Like 10, 12. That's like 17.
Oh, okay.
See, and then that's like 17-ish.
Yeah.
So that and that are the same. If you see a mark and an X and a...
Gotcha.
It's supposed to be an arc. I don't know.
Some kind of fish just jumped over there.
Yeah, last week I had a fish grab this when I was swimming it.
Yeah. I've had a couple fish grab my Texas rigs before when I'm just swimming it back to the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, big old carp just jumped there. Bunch of carp jumping around here.
Yeah, it's gonna roll on the top.
Yeah. Fish.
Going? Nice.
All right. Yep. Chatter donk. Chatter bonking him. Whoop. There he goes. Another one.
Really?
A little better.
Yeah, you think? Dang, Gary.
Little better. About a 2-pounder. A little under maybe. Sheesh. Yup. Threw right next to the grass. Pulled it out. Back you go, Jim Bob. That jackhammer 3/8 ounce with the blue gizzard spunkshad. All right, well, at this point, we've had as many fish in the boat as we had last time.
Yeah.
You getting bit?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go, dude.
Might need it, no? Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you don't need it. Too spicy, little guy.
Emotional damage.
Got him on film though. Maybe should have netted.
Nah, he was just he was
That was a good 2.5.
He was net worthy, but yeah, he was yeah, we saw him.
Yeah, we seen him.
Too early to get fishy. At least we know we're there. They're there.
Oh, they're in this grass stuff. Yeah, that fish that you had a nice little belly on him. It's feeding up.
That meme, it's like some the fisherman always says that right after he catches it, I got him, or grab the net. It's a big one.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Feels good.
It's always a big one.
It's better than the last one.
Yeah.
Or they call out like it was right next to the branch next to the green leaf with the red stump. Or I knew he'd be right there.
Yeah. I knew there'd be one in that hole. Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
Good. That's what, yeah. You usually see us on here with 3 people, dude.
Oh man, all overhead cast, huh?
It can be, yeah, it can, yeah.
Oh, come on. Oh, pink. Sorry about that. Just over here like, sorry.
All paid for.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, no.
It's nice when things are still nice, you know?
Just, yeah, we've had our experiences too, so it's like the first time we came out here, dude, you know, going back to the boat ramp at the end of the day, the wind blew me all over the place and we came in backwards and there's scratches down the side of this thing.
I had one guy in my comment section say that I was giving away secret spots by fishing Almaden Reservoir. I was like, you calling an entire reservoir a secret spot? Got one. Net. Let's go, dude. Here, lift them up for me. Get a weight on this guy. Chatterbait came right out. Yeah. Yeah, just point it. Just like that. Right there is good. Alright, you guys. Throwing the chatterbait this morning. Got this big mama right here. Feeding up on some bait. Gonna get a weight. Nice big mouth. Rob. Let's see how much she weighs here. Don't shake on me. Quit it, Bertha. Three and a half. It's that 3-pound curse. We're still trying to get that 6-pounder this year, but it's a nice 3.5 pounder. Give her a kiss, but she looks like she has some weird bubbly stuff going on, so let's get her back in the water. Straight down.
Let's go.
Let's go, dude. Let's go. Had some weird bubbles on it though. I don't know what's up with that.
Oh, did it have some? Yeah. Yeah, and every now and then they get cooties, or so you ever see some shit in their mouths, and yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like a leech, or I don't know.
Maybe just taking a bubble bath, you know? Yeah, so we're just starting today out here fishing this flooded brush on the bank, and it's been producing pretty good. My theory is that there's just bass in here waiting to ambush little bait fish that are swimming through this brush up here. So far it's been about 40 minutes of fishing and we've had 4 bites on the boat.
1 hour later.
How many you guys got so far?
We've hooked 4 so far. How about you?
How many?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Each of you guys?
Between the 2 of us, yeah.
Oh, between you guys?
Yeah. How about yourselves?
We got 4 each.
Oh, nice, nice.
They started fucking leaving that area in the back. That's where we got the 28 and the 24.
There we go. Nice. Like a pound and a half?
Yeah, about that.
Not bad.
Yeah. Just enough to get the juices flowing.
Mm-hmm. I'd be happy with that.
I know, yeah.
With like 40 of those.
Yeah. Yeah, because we caught like...
We've had 5 bites.
I had like half and half of those last week. I had a few of those,
Yeah.
Dude, I pulled them in before that have been like same size as my flathead hogs before. You'd be amazed at the little guys that get on that.
Oh yeah, man. On spinner baits, I've caught fish smaller than the spinner bait. I'm just like, what are you thinking?
Yeah.
What's going on in that little fish brain?
Yeah.
Especially like super early post spawn when all the little males are just swimming everywhere. That spot looks good. That point.
Sitting right on them rocks. Sitting right on them rocks.
Right when I said that spot looks good.
Right on them rocks. Yeah, I knew there was one there. All right, buddy.
Little Jimmy.
Look at that.
He's dancing for us.
Real guy.
He's pretty. He's got nice colors.
Mm-hmm. Bloop. All right.
Alrighty, so we're back where we started. We went to the other side of the lake. It was super slick, calm, and the bass seemed pretty spread out and isolated, a little harder to pinpoint, a little longer to get on them over there. So we decided to come back where we had some luck in the beginning, and we'll see if it's still good.
Nope.
See how she goes.
It's like 18 right here.
It's not too bad. It's pretty good. Now what do I throw? Throw a jig. Throw a jig. Alright, we're gonna tie on something that I haven't tried yet today that's worked for me pretty well in a lot of places, and it's the Megabass SB3 spinner. Haven't tried it yet today for some reason. I think I just been liking the chatterbait and topwater so much lately, and that it didn't even cross my mind, and it's a tool that I got in my toolbox that has been effective in the past, so potentially today it might still work. We will see. Alright, we are on the last GoPro battery, and let's see, we catch 2 more fish and we'll make it to 10 fish for the day, and anything after that will just be a nice bonus. Oh, just like that. Mm-hmm. The SB3 spinner.
Swing him or nut him.
Woo! We made a prediction and it paid off. Jimmy here has blessed us with his presence. It's probably a pound or just slightly under a pound. Let's get him back. Backflip. There he goes. First cast with the SV3. Uh-huh. It's like I was like, this has worked a lot for me in the past. Why haven't I tried it yet today? And then fish. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, for the video, anyone watching this video, just so you know, if you own a GoPro, buy the lithium-ion white batteries. Don't buy more of the blue batteries because they overheat, and when they overheat, they expand, and when they expand, they're harder to pull out, and eventually, apparently, if they get so hard to pull out, this is what happens. See this? Whoop. See this battery? The little part that you're supposed to pull just ripped off of it, and I had to just hit my GoPro in my hand over and over till this got loose enough that I could pinch it on both sides and pull it out. So if you don't want batteries getting jammed inside your GoPro, buy the white batteries, the lithium-ion ones. Just looking out for everybody. All right. Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah. No, he's just fighting. He's not that big. He's just acting big.
Hey, I think we may have made it to 10 now. Nice.
He's just acting big.
Was that on the poop lure?
Yeah, it's on the old.
Oh, okay. For some reason it looked like the TRD scat for a second, but I like those. Yeah, Yamamoto.
Flapping hog was the old
Yep. Boop. It's a nice fish.
All right, buddy.
This looks too fishy. Tell me that there's not a fish somewhere in this pile of sticks. I'll show you that you're a liar. Killing it. Little Jimmy.
Yeah.
It's a fish though.
Another little feisty one.
Yep.
Oh boy. Sorry about that.
Might have a bit of a headache after that.
Well, he's on the move.
Yeah, I mean, he ain't too hurt.
No.
He ain't tripping too much. He's right underneath your chair on the other side.
Oh boy.
I knew there was a fish on that tree somewhere.
Yeah, right.
All right. Boop. Yep, straight back down. All right, y'all, so we went out on the boat today. Coyote, Rob over here took us out. Thanks to him. Appreciate it, man. And yeah, we had a pretty good day. It started off really strong, caught a few nice ones, and then there was a bit of a lull, but throughout the hours, you know, like Rob's been doing a pretty good job at picking them off with the shaky head jig, and I was able to get one more. I think our total for the boat today is about 10 or so. But just in case the GoPro battery dies, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Well, our GoPro is dead, but we're here at these bluff walls, and I'm just throwing a jerkbait, and we got little Jim Bob right here. He's trying to put a hook in my finger. We're gonna get him back here in a second. All right, we're still recording. All right, gonna get him back. Thank you for playing. Whoop.